I've been waiting for this one.
High cash stuffers, it's me, Miss Blue. I got something special I wanna show you. Fresh deliveries and a brand new lift. Join me to unbox my 2 days gift. Is it a bandit? Is it a tool? Whatever's inside is gonna be cool. Setting the stage for the savings to grow. Peeling back the tape, let's start the show. Maybe it's trackers or envelopes clear to keep my essentials organized this year. Unwrap the vision, unwrap the plan, doing the best that a budgeter can. From the box to the bank, from the gift to the stash, let's find a home for all of this cash. Now that it's open, let's get to the work. Filling those pockets is the ultimate perk. Essentials are